Hello everyone, I'm back with a video. So in today's video we are going to talk about a very important health aspect, the mental health aspect. In the mental health aspect we are going to talk about depressive disorders in brief, and we are going to have a very good conversation in between. So in the video we are going to discuss about what are depressive disorders in real, and what are the symptoms included, and what are the treatment options available, and what are the self-care methods which can help us in achieving optimum mental health. Depression is a very common mental condition, and about 5% of adults suffer from it. Depression can be classified into three categories, namely mild, moderate and severe, and the treatment options available to tackle these conditions is according to its severity. So in a country like ours, when we talk about, or in any middle income country, or like an Asian country, or even in developed countries, I could say there have been a lot of stigma attached to the word depression. And when anybody wants to seek any therapy, if they have been diagnosed with depression, it's really very hard for people to reach anybody and to talk to anybody, because they have this constant fear of the other person judging them. They don't know how the other person might react to it, because there is a lot of stigma attached to the terminology, as I said earlier. Whenever we are sick and we are having any diagnosis, example we have cough, cold or cancer, and when it is diagnosed and when we go to a doctor, the doctor prescribes us some medicine, some do's and don'ts, and like we are told about some activities, but it is very difficult for a person with a mental disorders who has been diagnosed to get that the same treatment, because it is not validated as a disease or a condition. So getting treatment for any depressive disorder is very much similar to getting treatment for any other health conditions, whether you are having a back pain or knee pain or a sore throat, anything, it could involve anything, it is very much similar. So whenever you feel like you are having a depressive symptom or depressive disorder, you can get it checked by a doctor, or you can talk to a very reliable person whom you feel like you are very safe. So depressive disorders are very much different from regular mood swings. You can easily identify it from our regular changes in mood which a normal person could have, and it can affect every aspect of our life, our daily routine, or our daily work, our relationship with our family, friends. Everything can get hampered when you are really affected by a mental health condition. So the primary treatment modality which you can really seek is the help of a doctor. You can really reach a trained medical practitioner which has certification in dealing with mental health conditions, and you can take help of a psychologist. And there are various applications which can really help you in attaining a perfect balance of your daily routine and perfect mental health condition. So in this part of video we are going to talk about a mobile application whose name is Evolve. So I'll be talking about in detail in the video. So starting with this app can be really easily downloaded from Google App or the Play Store, and this app comes with a easy login. You can easily log into it. You can click it for weekly uploads, and this app really helps everyone. So we can have relationship advices, self help, work, finance, LGBT friendly. It is really effective app for everybody. Everyone can use it. Evolve app is a meditation and self-care app. It is designed to help you relax, de-stress, find your inner peace, and with variety of guided meditation, breathing, mindfulness, you can choose the practice, wellness tips, sleep audios, and journaling feature to help introspect, stay motivated, and get better sleep. I would say this app is really a go to feature which should be downloaded by each and every one of us, especially this app can help you a lot. This app is really very handy and it's very easy to download and it's very cost effective. You would get it subscription in a yearly basis in 4.99 or so, which is very cheap. You can easily afford it, and can this app can really help you in journaling your thoughts, your emotions. In the app you can write things you are grateful for. The app is very handy and you can easily type into it. So before closing this video, I'm going to share some self-care tips which are really going to help you in long run. The first one will be keep doing activities which you used to enjoy. The second one will be stay connected to your friends, your family, your colleagues. And the third one will be you should exercise regularly, even if it's like a small walk. If you cannot run, you feel like tired, you're not able to get up from your bed, you can try doing small steps. You can go for a walk, you can stretch yourself, you can listen to your favorite song. And the fourth one will be you should avoid alcohol and drugs. It's a big no. If drugs and alcohol make depression worse, and you should talk to someone whom you think like they are the most reliable person whom you can talk, and you should talk to your healthcare provider. In the end, I would suggest, please go and take help from a healthcare provider. So by the end of video, I really thank you for keeping up with me till the end of video, and I would really thank you for the support which you are giving me. Kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.